recently spent $800 at the Dermatologist. And if you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button down here as well as the little bell so you are notified when I upload videos every single week. So what's very exciting and scary is that I actually turned 40 30 days from today. A moment of, Carly, you know, why don't you start getting your stuff together just a little bit more, and also why not be a little bit more proactive and maybe even, you know, maintaining the skin that I currently have and also making it better. So I've actually been on a crusade, and I had scheduled an appointment with a dermatologist, and I had to wait like, you know, 6-8 weeks to get in, but my appointment was yesterday. And, you know, I went in and I really thought I was gonna get like just like an assessment, you know, like what I need to do and, you know, go from there. So what is always so funny and always makes me laugh with like plastic surgeons' offices or clearly dermatologists is that nothing is a big deal. They're like, so you just wanna get this done today? And I'm like, whoa, really today? But I was like, why not rip off the Band-Aid and just get it done? Like, what am I really waiting for, right? So, yeah, they were getting me all prepped up for my BOTOX, so I was like really excited to get that started. Also, just a little background with what my makeup thing's going on right now. Like, I'm not wearing like very full coverage. I am using, and I'm really loving, I did that review of this Morphe 2, so I'm using this as the contour and of course this as my foundation, and I just used one of the classic e.l.f. concealers like just underneath my eyes. So I didn't want to go like super heavy. So there was also, besides the wrinkles on my skin, I also, when I was about 25 years old, my face completely broke out horribly. Like, I actually went on Accutane, and I do have some acne scarring on my cheeks, and I often have a lot of congestion always on the right side of my face. Clearly the mask knee is not helping by any means. So I have all sorts of like concerns, and then also some hyperpigmentation randomly is showing up on my skin. And then also the one thing, you know, whenever a doctor asks you if you're doing something that you should be doing and you're not doing it, you're always like, yeah, you know what, I do it sometimes. And you kind of like lie to yourself, and they know that you're lying. So always the question is SPF, and to be honest with you, I always just like assume that my foundation has SPF in it, and it doesn't. So the first thing I got, which I'm kind of excited about, my best friend actually has this, is this Color Science like brush on SPF. So I'm kind of excited to wear this. So you're supposed to just brush this on, you know, randomly throughout the day. Like they say, like almost every 2 hours or something. I am not exactly sure. So it's SPF 50. So you guys use this. I'm really interested because this is kind of expensive. One of these is like $65. Ugh. I got 3 of them for $130. So of course they sell this on Amazon. And then also, I did notice there were some other brands of this type of product. So definitely let me know if any of you use this kind of like brush on SPF or a different kind. I wanna know what you're using, and do you love it? Okay. So the next thing is that with my eyes. So I realize, as I normally don't smile at myself in the mirror, that when I smile, I'm definitely showing my age. Like, yeah, definitely getting those wrinkles, and I'm like not having it. So I mentioned that concern. Definitely like the eye area is a little more difficult for, you know, assessing what you really need to get done, because most likely a filler or something. But what they suggested was this Total Eye Restore regimen, also by Color Science right here. So I just kind of started using it last night. So it's actually this roll-on at night kind of like concentrated guy right here. And then also for the daytime, it's this like tinted moisturizer right here, like SPF 35. I did see another video of using a much cheaper and much bigger product from Cetaphil right here. So I'm definitely gonna like check that out too. And then also this packet did come with these eye eye treatments, like several of them, I think 8 of them. So I'm kind of excited to see from using this treatment, like what's gonna happen with my eye area. Now, next, and I honestly don't really, I may have to wait to use this because I'm getting another very expensive treatment done at the dermatologist. So I got this 2-pack right here of this, I think is called Tensage or Tensage or something of that nature. So basically this right here is this, which I'm gonna wait to use until the treatment, are these ampules right here. Like look at this, like looks pretty scientific, right? It says growth factor. I'm into it. And then also this daily serum right here. So also growth factor. So both of these, 20% off, $217.60. They had to throw that 60 cents in. The one thing I noticed with this, which is why I'm gonna wait, is that it says best post-procedure serum. So with that, I signed up, guys. I signed up. Now, mind you, I was like, yeah, I'm gonna do it. And then I was like, how much does this cost? And I was like, I can't go back because I already agreed to it. So I agreed to this microneedling and then also with this plasma treatment, like really intense, but it's supposed to do absolute wonders for your face with smoothing and everything of that nature. So 4 treatments of this microneedling plasma thing is costing $1,700. So what I did was I actually decided to do my due diligence and actually just call around because I was like, you know, I don't really know what the going rate is for this type of procedure. So I actually decided to call my plastic surgeon's office where I got my breast augmentation done. And I spoke with their dermatologist or cosmetic surgeon person and kind of going over like, okay, how much is microneedling, blah, 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 or like what are the other treatments? And then she's like, yeah, this is great. It's $350. I was like, okay, that's actually cheaper than this 4-pack that I was quoted. And then I said, well, you know, what about this plasma? Like, don't you guys have to draw blood? And she's like, whoa, 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 that's like an additional $750 per treatment. Then I was like, holy cats, like that means that this treatment for 4 treatments for $1,700 is way cheaper than a one-time treatment of $350 plus $750. Like, whoa. So I'm kind of excited, slightly nervous about this plasma thing because I don't like to give blood, but you know, I know it's gonna be minimal and for the name of beauty, the things that we do, right? So besides all of this that I spent $800, about 10 days earlier, I was on Instagram naturally and following Crispy. I love her. If you don't follow her, definitely check her out. I effing love her. So I remembered in past that she talked about these Dr. Dennis Gross like pads. And I decided, I'm like, I'm gonna go check it out because, you know, she highly talks about these pads. And then also people were like, thank you for recommending them. Like, I absolutely love it. So I wanted to get in on that loving of a product. So I actually went to their website and you kind of like do this little quiz and then it assesses like what you need. And of course it steered me to the product that she recommends. So I decided to just bite the bullet and buy the 60-pack versus the 30. Now this is like $150. Ugh. But there was like a Labor Day coupon, so it only costs me $120. So I was like, okay, willing to save $30 to check it out. So I'm actually really excited about these like peeling pads. So this is almost like a mini chemical peel pad right here, also to help with that hyperpigmentation, lessening of scarring, like the whole gamut. And then with that, let me know if any of you have actually tried this type of product. And then, I almost forgot, it's arriving, it's coming, I think today. I decided to buy also last week, I'm crazy, this new olive oil like scrubbing 2-step something product. So I feel like I have definitely like gone over the edge and maybe like tapped out on skincare. But I'm creating this video because I am starting, you know, this new journey. I want to showcase with you all my skincare journey of being 40 and fabulous. And also I want to hear if you all do anything special to your face, if you've tried any of these products, or if you recommend another product. Like, let's talk about what we're all doing, and if I can save some money somewhere by using a different product, maybe without a name brand, I'm happy to do that, and also create other videos if you want me to check out other types of skincare. And I'm excited to share with you, like, is it worth it? Is it not worth it? What my thoughts are on it. As you know, I am all about empowering people to do whatever makes them happy and feel great. So I have no issues with Botox. I have no issues with cosmetic procedures. I am like, all the merrier. If it makes you feel amazing and empowered, do it, love it, and own it, right? And we will see you soon. Bye.